the first IGP and Oyebroni, throughout SS Omanemo, Peter Namfuri, Al Hassan, all these guys upon Buanununga, they are watching. Dr. Kofi Dampare, they are watching leadership. I know many people, don't like this IGP, but I can tell you this is one of your best.
Ghana, baby, I know you do no time. Nyama na cause police service no time. And you see, I don't have to be popular among my cronies to say I'm a good IGP. What am I saying? In the eyes of the public, Dampare is the best we have had. But in the eyes of the police service, he's the worst because the corruption and sikadian was not going on. Yes. Now I am surprised. The president has called to the pressure to remove Dampare.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH FM members. Subscribe, share. Yeah, the two man now can be. Dampare. Maybe the makers are the finest IGP Ghana has ever had since independence. You might have your view. That's my personal view. Because he turned round the institution of the police. Now, actually, no. Me to say police will be quite jubilating. I'm so shameful. Me to say all sorts of things about the man. I decided not to speak. But I need to speak because my prophet has spoken. Kofi Oduro. Was a Ghana for my Jimmy Papa. Nia bebreba Dampare ma hu ana. Ye kwati prophet mreba e be fire.
The IGP who come the officer, there will be former IGPs. Their pictures sitting there. From the first IGP and Oyebroni throughout SS Omanemo, Peter Namfuri, Al Hassan, all these guys upon Buanununga, they are watching. Dr. Kofi Dampare, they are watching leadership. I know many people, don't like this IGP, but I can tell you this is one of your best. This is one of your best. Come on, somewhere, John. Maybe you'll be a dear fair and a fair. Now, dear time and a time, dear. Me don't say any part. A dear fair, a dear time, any time. Opa, mama, papa, coin. Mama is space. Which you bet them. The only problem is space. What you be no yes jam. Jam is same. Yachi be yan.
Eliase, be careful. You new IGP, be careful. There will almost yan sani abeyo. Gwaso ni bibi. Damn yes, and then the man said we are inwardly, we are corrupt. The word corruption is embedded in our DNA. Ghana, after the man said, oh, be a member, or try to change the system the people will fight you. Because you're corrupt. What's here some of the supposed crimes of Dampare? Now say Ghana for your Jimmy, your mental problem. This was the man who came when the police was at its lowest point. Let me take you back. At that time, corrupt indices are not police only number one. Now the name police has become bastardized. Obiamu. He brought sanity and dignity to police. He made sure, say at least, police near you give him what the required respect that the police needs. He did many innovations. He was the first IGP who was down to earth, who was going to the communities to interact and find out their first-hand problem. That is a hero to me. Because maybe a leader who will go and see the problems of the people, no, that leader needs to be celebrated, not whatever. But Ghana, as usual, we are crucifying him. Because why? Oba no akonfobia ntimi awie sika. Yes. Dimie na ntimi ankoso. Asofobia no mo hye enkom kwase ankom no omatimi ahye. Enkom omonti wo nyame wo so mate. Eno ani otan no. But God will justify that man. You see, ewiase e won de bia meka say, look before you act and now look before you leap. Ghana, baby and na yedu no, na ye time. Nyama na cause police service na ye time. And you see, I don't have to be popular among my cronies to say I'm a good IGP. What am I saying? In the eyes of the public, Dampare is the best we have had. But in the eyes of the police service, he's the worst because the corruption and sikadian was not going on. Yes. Now I am surprised the president has cottoned to the pressure to remove Dampare. When the maker said some sections of the constitution needs to be what? Abolished and aborted because a constitution ye. Dampare has done a very fine job. Check the records during his time. The crime rate, look at it. No, check the records. For the first time, police were seen to be what? Active members in the society. Oh no, yeah, community policing visible. People were underground. We went in another crime in mano. Because you are sending people to the community. That is why crime was barest minimum. How many crimes did you record? I'm Robbie saying. Dampare time. Check it. Until before you start jubilating, start thinking about it. Some time ago, Robbie was rampant. During Dampare's time, a confirm means he did something right. I'm not concerned about he and the police and how they behave like. I'm concerned about my security as a person. If you have any problem, I don't have a problem with him. Maybe you have. It's your own cup of tea. But a banner about techino and when the police want to jubilate, some also call retirement to jubilate to home because when be corruption needs to be uprooted in Ghana. The new IGP, I salute you. The good ways that Dampare has started, follow. We need something to call what? Continuation. The image that he has built for the police, and the police, Ghana Police Force, let's continue. The vilification, it needs to stop. Because Dampare has done some and has done a lot for Ghana. I expose HFM Bruce. Subscribe, share, me the 2 man now so I can be Manuesi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.